In this Unity tutorial I will show you how to make this timer, which can count down from any number, and when it hits 0 it will say timer finished. So let's get started. So right here I have a basic scene with the main camera and a directional light, and then I have a canvas which has a timer text, which is a TextMesh Pro. To make the timer we have to right click in the assets, do create, do mono behavior script. I will call this timer. Open it up. In here we'll delete the start function. Then in the using libraries we're gonna do using TM Pro. This is the TextMesh Pro library. Now we can use the TextMesh Pro library, so we'll do public TextMesh Pro uGUI. I'll call this TextMesh Pro. Then I also have a public float called timer. I'll set this to 5. You can set it to whatever value you want. And then in the update function we'll do if timer is above 0, then we'll subtract from the timer with time.delta-time, which is the time between each frame, and then we'll do TextMesh Pro .text equals mathf.round timer.toString. We round the value so we don't get decimal numbers, and then we do toString because it's a text. Now we'll do else, and this is when the timer is finished. We'll do TextMesh Pro .text equals timer finished. You could also invoke a function or whatever you want here if you want something to happen when the timer is done. Now let's go back into Unity. In here we'll click on the timer text, close this down and drag the timer onto the object. Now we just need a reference for the TextMesh Pro. We can get that by dragging the component over here. Now let's test. And as you can see, it counts down from 5. I could also up this value to 10 and it counts down from 10. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you have any criticism, please let me know in the comments so I can improve these videos. And yeah, have an amazing day. Boom!